Hi and welcome. Today let us explore the phrasal verbs with the word put. Phrasal verbs are words with a verb and a preposition, and phrasal verbs give a different meaning to the main verb that is used. In this section we are going to explore the meanings and we'll also look at the exercise. To put something aside, that means to give something or to keep it available for use, or maybe for a later use. To put something away means to put something in a place where you keep it because you have finished using it. To put something back means to postpone, to move something to a later date or time. To put something behind you means to forget about an unpleasant experience and think about the future rather than the past. To put something down means to write something down, to make a note of something. To put something down has another meaning, that means of an animal that is old and sick and it is killed by giving it a drug or an injection. To put something down for something, to put somebody's name on a list for some reason or some duty. To put something down to something has another meaning, that means to consider something is caused by something else. To put something off means to cancel a meeting that you have made with somebody. To put somebody off means to make somebody dislike somebody else or not trust that person. To put somebody off something means somebody lose interest in somebody. That means to one person to lose an interest in the other person. To put something on means to dress oneself in something. To put something on has another meaning, means to play music, a CD or a DVD, or to begin to play. To put something on has another meaning, that means to become heavier or to put on weight. To put something out means to put something out of the house or to leave it for somebody to collect it, for example the trash. To put something out means to stop something from burning or shining, that means to put out the fire. To put something through something is to make somebody's experience that something that is very difficult or unpleasant. To put somebody up means to allow somebody to stay in a house or a place for a short while temporarily. To put up with something or somebody is to accept something or somebody that is annoying or unpleasant without complaining about it or that person. Now let us go through the exercise. The students may pause the video and attempt the exercise. At the end of the exercise, the answers are given for self-assessment. Thank you.